In this video, we are going to take a look at the best and easy method to extend any hard drive partition without damaging your hard drive. If that excites you, then make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to share this video. Thank you. We will be taking a look at the two best methods we can use to extend any hard drive partition without damaging your drive. First of all, let me open File Explorer and show you the hard drive partitions I would like to extend. These are the partitions that I would like to extend. I will like to extend local disk D with these three partitions, which are local disk E, local disk G, and local disk H. Before you extend any hard drive partition, make sure you move all your important documents to another drive or partition. For the first method, right-click on the Start menu and select Disk Management. On the Disk Management page, right-click on the partition you will like to extend. Click on Extend Volume. If the Extend Volume option is grayed out, this means there is no unallocated drive at the immediate right of the drive you want to extend. To resolve this, right-click on the drive at the immediate right of the drive you will like to extend. In my case, I will like to extend local disk D, and local disk G is the drive at the immediate right of local disk D, so I will right-click on local disk G. After you right-click on the drive at the immediate right of the drive you will like to extend, click on Delete Volume. You will receive a prompt asking whether you will like to delete this volume. Click on Yes. This will delete the volume, and the drive will become an unallocated drive. Right-click on the drive you will like to extend. Now, the Extend Volume option should be enabled. Click on the Extend Volume option. Now, click on Next. Click on Next again, and click on Finish. This should extend your drive with the unallocated volume. After the process is complete, close Disk Management, and open File Explorer. Click on this PC, and you should see that your drive has been extended. For the second method, we will be using an advanced tool to extend our hard drive partitions. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to this website. Link will also be in the description. On the web page, click on Download. On the download page, scroll down. Under the MiniTool Partition Wizard section, click on Free Download and wait for the download to complete. After the download is complete, click on the Setup file to start the installation. Click on Run. If you get this prompt, click on Yes. Select your preferred language, and click on OK. Uncheck the MiniTool Shadow Maker. We only need to install MiniTool Partition Wizard. Now, click on Next. Click on Next again, and wait for MiniTool to be downloaded and installed on your computer. After the installation is complete, click on Finish. Now, double-click on the MiniTool Partition Wizard icon to start the application. Click on Yes, and wait for the application to start. First of all, let me close this pop-up and maximize the application window. This is the main interface of MiniTool Partition Wizard. At the bottom side of the application, you will see all your drives displayed here. To extend your hard drive partition, right-click on the drive you will like to extend. In my case, that is local disk D, so right-click on the drive and click on Extend. From the drop-down, select the partition that you will like to take space from. With MiniTool Partition Wizard, you don't have to extend your drive with the partition next to it. You can select any partition from the list. The position of the partition doesn't matter. After selecting the partition from the list, move the slider to specify the amount of space you will like to take from the selected partition. Over here, you can see, I am not allowed to take all the 50 GB space from the selected partition, and that is because I have not deleted the partition. To resolve this, close the Extend Partition dialog box. Now, right-click on the drive you will like to take the space from. In my case, that is drive E. Right-click on the drive, and click on Delete. Now, right-click on the drive you will like to extend, and click on Extend. Click on the drop-down, and select the unallocated drive from the list. Now, move the slider to specify the amount of space you like to take from the unallocated drive. After selecting the size you want to extend, click on OK. Repeat the process for the other partitions you will like to extend. After you are done, click on Apply for your changes to take effect. Make sure to close all other applications you have opened, and click on Yes. After clicking on Yes, MiniTool will now extend your partition. Just wait patiently for the process to complete. After the process has completed successfully, click on OK. Close MiniTool Partition Wizard, and open File Explorer. Click on this PC, and you should see your extended partition. In just a few steps, you should be able to extend any hard drive partition easily without damaging your drive. Thanks for watching. Please, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon, so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to share this video. Thank you.